Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can integrate Java development environment in Visual Studio Code IDE. Let's start by opening the IDE. This is a simple Visual Studio Code screen where I go to extensions and try to search for Java extensions. When you search, you will see a list of extensions suggested. Let me find the right one. There you go. You see in the screen we see around 6 extensions. So there's something called extension packs. So this extension pack is pulling 6 extensions which are very helpful for us in for any developer who wants to do development with Java. And once you have this thing installed, because I have already installed it in my environment, I'm just going to use the command palette and show you how you can do a search, say Java, and if you see it says option of creating a Java project. So this is what these extensions would do. They will help you with certain tasks. So I'm going to create um, the next task would be to select either a Maven tool or not. I'm not choosing any tool right now. I'm just creating a plain Java project, and I will give a location for my project. I will just create and select this as a destination, and then it will ask me for a project name. I'll simply give something like VSCode Java examples, and there you go. You have your Java project created with the extension. And if you see, I'll open the application.java here, and this is the main application that it created by default, and you can run the application as well. Click on run and it will run the application for you, and there you go. It shows you a simple hello world program. So this is how we create the project. Now let's start creating a Maven project, and I select the Maven. With Maven you can select archetypes, and I'll choose the quick start one and a version 2.0, and then I'll select a destination folder. Once you select the destination folder, and then you see bunch of terminal commands running in, it will interactively ask you about the group ID, because Maven comes with coordinates for every project. You should have group ID, version number, and artifact ID. I'm just going to give something like com.learninghut and an artifact ID, a VSCode, and then I am going to leave everything as default and say yes, and there you go. Shows build success. It just ran the command, Maven command, and let's open the project. I'll go to the directory and open it, and in VS Code we'll see a Maven project created for us. We'll go to source main. This is the default structure of a Maven project. Go to app.java and run the project, and it will run the project, and it will show in the terminal hello world. That's it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.